Hello. Today we are going to dive into a concept that's gonna blow your mind and help you create a life that will make everyone go, damn, I want what they are having. It's called the Antithesis Principle and it's all about embracing the power of contrast. What the heck is Antithesis Principle? It's simple. It's all about looking at two opposite things and thinking, hey, what if I mix these two together? It's like putting a pineapple on a pizza. It sounds weird, but it just works. Now, let's apply this to your life. You know how everyone always is telling about follow the crowd and do what's expected? Well, the Antithesis Principle says, forget that. It's all about jigging when everyone else is jagging. We have all heard this saying, don't judge a book by its cover. But let's be real, most people totally do that. That's why you see so many books have fancy covers. Same applies for YouTube. If you see, many YouTube thumbnails are very attractive. As a creator, you must make your thumbnails super attractive to get those clicks. As a writer, you must have a fancy book cover, else people won't even pick the book in the first place. But when it comes to your personal consumption, your personal learning, the Antithesis Principle says, go beyond the cover. Read that book with a boring cover. Watch that video with a lame thumbnail. The old person you see on that thumbnail could be a MIT prof. They might have thumbnails that look like they were made up by a toddler, but the content, pure gold. These creators are just putting their stuff out, no frills attached. I see many such videos. I personally enjoy those videos because there is a lot of powerful content within those. Don't just stop with the 5 ways to do things and all those how-to videos. Go beyond. Now, let's talk about those people we all love listening to. Charismatic folks, right? They have got that magic sauce that makes us hang on their every word. But here is the thing, just because someone's got charisma for days doesn't mean they have got the best ideas. On the flip side, that quite unamusing people sitting in the corner, they might be sitting with a gold mine of brilliant insights. So what's the takeaway? Don't get so caught up in the packaging that you miss out the real gems. Embrace the Antithesis Principle and look beyond the surface. Of course, when it comes to you, try to be charismatic, be presentable, and articulate your ideas in a way that people like to learn. But all said and done, stay authentic and be yourself. Do you have any passion or dreams tugging at your soul? Is it time for your second act? I would love to hear your thoughts and experiences wrestling with this eternal human dilemma. I can help you with the Dream Framework to start working on your second act. Do check the description for free workbook on the Dream Framework. It has all the details you need to create your purpose and launch your second act.